Now this is fairly heavy. This is 30mm ply, which is quite substantial and virtually no flex at all, and then that's exactly what we want. The motor itself will be basically set up like that. We've got the little T-nuts in there, there's 4 of them. That was a simple enough process, just take off this end cap here and slide them in and put the end cap back on. But what we've got to do now is find the centres, and we've got to get the centre of the screw. So the simplest way to do that is to put the T-nut in, screw into the T-nut I should say, and just do them up so they're sitting vertical, and we're just going to square that off so we get an accurate measurement. So we'll move the other one up. I'll just use a small T-square. So what we do now is get our calipers, and we can simply take a measurement across the 2 machine screws. We've got a measurement of just a fraction over 64mm, so we'll call that 64mm. So that gives us the outside dimension of the 2 machine screws, and these machine screws are 5mm, so they're 5mm on the calipers. So what we do is the distance across here, which is 64 minus 5, which ends up being 59mm. So we have to divide that by 2, and that'll be our mark positions on the support board or the backing board, from the center line. So as you can see, we'll put our center line in for the backing board, and then we've moved the correct distance from either side of the center, and we put in our drill hole positions. So what we're going to do now is just put the drill holes through. Now this is a 5mm drill. So what we're doing here is just going to countersink the back of the support board. That's so we can put a washer in and also put the machine screw in as well. So we're doing the next hole now, so we're just using our original drill bit to line up the drill. So now we'll clamp that down, and then we'll put the countersink in. So now we've got our countersink back in, and we'll got our 4 securing bolts in, and we've got this squared up to the face at the moment, and we'll be doing more adjustment of that once we get the whole assembly put together.